Windplanner supports various types of 3D tilesets, starting with Cesium OSM buildings, a 3D buildings layer covering virtually the entire world, creating visual context around your project. OSM buildings are only compatible with cesium-ion terrain, so be sure to select it under Terrain Data. To enable OSM buildings, go to Settings and scroll down to where you see the OSM buildings checkbox. In this way, we've added extra points of visual reference. But we can take it a step further. If your project is located in the Netherlands, you can add high-detail BAG 3D buildings. Be aware that BAG 3D data only works with the AHN4 world layer, and that AHN4 is only available within the Netherlands, so make sure to select it before adding BAG 3D data. To add the 3D BAG data, scroll down to 3D Tilesets and check the icon next to BAG 3D buildings. This is a highly detailed 3D tileset with a higher level of recognizability. In the future, we will add Google's Photorealistic 3D tiles to our range of world layers. It will help you place objects perfectly in the 3D world and further advance the immersion of those with a vested interest in your project. If your city, village, or other desired location isn't covered yet, we can assist you with custom photogrammetry specially for your needs. Once added, it can be found and enabled under the Tilesets tab.